Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. Today we are out on a creek. I have never, Danny has never fished this creek before. We are looking for some smallmouth. We're throwing top water. We might have to finesse down to like maybe tubes or small swim bait. But the goal here is just to pick the big ones out of this creek. I don't know what else to say because I've never been here. I'm willing to explore. We're going to try it out, see how it goes. We have a long walk. I want to say, what do you say, Danny? Like 2 miles? Probably 2 miles, so we probably have 2 miles of waiting. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on this awesome creek. So stay tuned. Let's catch some fish. There he is. The myth and the legend. Huh. Alright guys, so we're gonna have fun. I'll see you guys on the water. Alright, so here's the scenario, right? I come up to the spot. I have all my left to right angle. I always start off with the left, go to right. I see my obvious points. I make my cast, okay? Make my cast. If I caught some weeds over there, that's okay. So what you want to do is you just want to work every single angle you can think of. Something just waked away. You see the wake? You see the wake? Yeah. On the right side? Yep. So now I know it's shallow over there. So I'm assuming in the middle is a little deeper. Danny's gonna work that left side. Because right here, in this area. And if you guys can see, it's nice to calm up here, right? And it usually goes down to like a little rapid or whatever you guys want to call it. Usually the fish will stack right before the rapid. They just wait for stuff to flow down, bait fish, leech, stuff like that. So it's always good to just stop and give it some time, you know? That's just some obvious pointer that you can do when fishing on new rivers like this. It'd be better if the water was higher, but you know, it's actually safer that it's slower because we're exploring right now. So it's going to benefit us in the future once we come back. We're going to learn all these pockets. So yeah, that's a little tip. Oh, got one. Oh, you saw that? I saw that, yeah. You guys saw that? I was just going to say, hopefully you guys learned something, and boom, just blew up. But yeah, that was the perfect example right there. We made some fan casts right in the middle. Got him! There we go. Yeah! Holy chunkiness. Dude, he's so chunky and cute. Oh geez, oh geez. Slimy fish. Your forehead, bruh. Yep. Little guy, but still. Jeez, they're so feisty. Oh, you saw that? Little guy. Dude, they're so mean.
That was nice, that was nice.
Came out of nowhere, dude.
Oh, not bad. Getting bigger.
Yeah, they get big. The one I caught over there is a little bigger.
Oh.
You're gonna get smoked. I hate when they're hooked like this. No, that's okay. I just hate when they're hooked like this. Oh, dang, boom. Yeah, nice, yeah. Dude. What happened? Yeah, got one. That's a decent one, dude. I think. Whoa, dude, that's a decent fish, dang. Oh yeah, dude, that's actually a nice fish. The biggest one yet. Bro, roll. It's a 2-pounder. There you go, you guys see. Yep. It's a nice 2-pounder. Look. Bro, they're gonna run. Jeez. Look at that. Oh my god, these fish are way mean. Look how pissed off he is. Let's go. Look at him. He's so acrobatic. My dude, no, chill. Don't come by me. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. New water smallie, Danny. Look. Oh, it's okay. I see him. If he can shake it off, that's cool too. Look at that fish. Look at that fish. It's quality for a creek. Man, right under a tree. That's so cool.
No, that was my mistake. The freaking wind blew it and...
Jeez, my reel's all in the water. That is a nice fish, dude.
Picture?
No, it's okay. That's a nice fish. Look at that thing. That's a creek smallie. Let's see if I'm recording. Yep. Creek smallie right there. Wow, that's so cool. Look at that. Oh, and you kick water right on me. Thanks, buddy. Look at, bro, you need to see this scenery. The scenery is amazing, dude. I'm scared. Wet water. I really don't know how we're gonna make this, bro.
We're gonna make it.
How? Look at it. Come look at it. It looks sketchy as heck.
Yes, we'll learn.
Is this the end? Bro, look how deep this is, dude.
I'm right behind you.
Yep. I feel like it's sinking.
Look like some kind of...
That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. That's really, that's a nice smallie. Oh my gosh, that's a giant. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one, Danny. You're gonna have to help me, bro. That's a big one.
Run.
That's a big one. Go ahead. That's a big one. That's a big one, dude. That's a big one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a big one. Go ahead. Fight him over here. We were just talking. Watch out. I'm gonna sling him in. Let's go! Oh my gosh! Look at the tank! Oh my gosh! I'm shaking. We were catching things all day. That's a nice creek fish right there.
And we were gonna shake back too.
You got the fire? Oh my gosh. Dude, oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. That is a nice 18, 19 inch right there. Super long fish. You got your weight too? You got the weight?
Yeah.
I mean, I got mine too, but... Oh man, mine's in kg. It's alright. We'll do the math later, okay? We'll do the math later. Mine's in kg. Let me put this thing on there. We'll zero it out. Okay. It's okay. We'll do the math later. You gotta reset yours or something. Yep. Right there. So we're looking at 1.28 kg. Alright, we'll do the math later. 1.28 kg. Get some picture and we're gonna release her. Alright, wanna grab my phone? Alright guys, beautiful fish. We're not even gonna waste time. We're just gonna go ahead and release it. Alright. Look at that fish. Look at that, dude.
Dude, that thing is beautiful.
Look at that. It's amazing. It's ready to go. It's just tightening up. There you go, and it's off. Just let it sink and they'll pick it up. Oh, top water, right where you just can't. Oh, right there. Set it.
Oh gosh.
That's a nice one, dude.
That's a big one.
That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish, dude. Keep it up. Go, big one. Oh, that's big. Keep it downstream.
Oh no, it's a good size.
Okay. They fight so hard. Right?
Yeah.
They fight like freaking 10 pounders, dude. Like we know.
All right, sure.
Good? I think it spooked them off. That's a nice fish, dude. That's a big. That's a nice fish, actually. That's a really nice fish. Jeez.
Oh my god.
I think I spooked them off and then they came out of nowhere. Oh my gosh. Look at them, dude. Look at them go. Talk about plastic river smallies, man. Holy, look at this guy. He's big, dude.
Dang, dude.
Look at him go. That's crazy. Nope, I got him. That's a nice fish. Dude, look how stocky it is. Super stocky fish. Wow, dude. That's crazy. I got it.
I think we might kill this spot.
No. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish, guys. Holy cow, look at that. Nice little 16-incher. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Wow, just wow. Got one?
Oh, there's a little guy.
Amazing fishery. Holy cow. It is. See, like that. You keep on there, boom. Yo. I saw you fail. You're nice. Get it done, boys. You don't notice, I always miss 3 before I catch one, right? Whoa! You saw that? As soon as it landed. It's not big, but as soon as it landed, dude. Yeah? Yep. Oh, dude, that's a giant. Is it big? Oh, jeez. Yep, let it go down, Steve. Don't. Yep. Sheesh! Go. I still got my guy. Dang! Whoa. That's a freaking thing. Alright, I'll keep him in the car. Hold on, let me put my guy away real quick. The camera, hold on. Dang!
Oh, dude, this is the
Look how big the head
I ever
is.
got.
Dude, okay. Let's get some pictures to get it released. I'm gonna zero that out. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Keep shaking with you. Move your thumb, dude. Move your hand.
Oh.
There. We're looking at, whoa! So it's at 148 kg. We'll do the math later.
148?
Yeah,
All
148 kg.
Oh my god.
Freaking tank.
freaking
I'm glad
tank,
we're
dude.
using the big word. Hurry, battery's on.
He's strong, dude.
He's soft, dude. Nah, it'll be okay. Not big. But I knew he was there.
Oh, I didn't feel it.
Yeah, I know. I just saw you wait and I just saw her head started shaking. That was cool, dude. Jeez. What happened? What happened? That's a nice fish. He's all tangled, that's why. He can't swim. He's tangled, dude. There you go. His fins is tangled, so he couldn't swim off. That's funny. I might need to apply for this one. Yeah, it's a good dude. Look how stocky it is. Oh, jeez. Go ahead, cast. Ah! You saw that? That's a nice one. That's a big one. Back hook. Did you see that? Jeez, dude, look at that thing. You heard that? Look how big it is. Look. Whoa, dude, that was cool. It scared me. Relax. There, girl. I told you I saw a bit. I was like, dude, I just saw her. That's a nice fish. Oh, jeez.
Solid.
Yeah? That's a nice fish right there. Let's go. Look at this dude. Yep, just let him run. Oh my gosh.
You want a picture of that one?
Sure, sure. Nice.
About 4 or 5 times?
7 times. Beautiful long smallie right there. I think he's actually blind in one eye too. Look at that fish. Look at that Danny girl. It's nice, dude. Look at that. That's so cool. Shit. It's ready to go. See ya. And it's off. Oh, I'm tired. I don't even want to stand up. Oh. Well, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up right here. Dude, we're out. We're beat. Like, it's so hot out.
95.
It's 95 degrees right now, and woo! That was a freaking walk. That was crazy, but
2 miles.
it was a successful outing. Danny caught one that was like 3 pounds. I caught one that was like 2.7, and then a bunch of like other fish too. I'm not complaining. I'm just really tired and I'm really hungry. So we're gonna head back to the car. I don't know if we're gonna come back out here. You gonna come back out here?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see how we feel. Depend on the rain. If the rain picks up, then we'll definitely be back out here and fish for some big smallies. So again, don't try this at home. If you do go with an expert or someone who has experience, or just somebody who's might be helpful, I guess. And you know, just work your way up. Don't ever work your way down, because you could get washed down into these deep pools, which is a big yeah, that wouldn't be cool. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, leave comments down below, hit that thumbs up. I'm really tired, and I'll see you guys next time.